Hello, welcome to lip reading. Welcome to lip reading. This is lesson 4A, and in this lesson we're going to look at speech movement f and v. It would be good if you could have a mirror handy just to check speech movements on your own lips. So we're going to look at f and v. How does it look? F and v. Two different sounds which make the same shape. Your top teeth just peep over your bottom lip. Now, there are another two spellings of the f sound, which is ph, which you get in photograph, and gh, which you get in laugh, cough, enough. But lip reading has nothing to do with the written word or how they're spelt. It's the sound that makes the shape. So words like fairy and very would look the same in the lips. Fast and fast would look the same. Few and few, and many more. At the end of the word, you can have half and have, or leaf and leave. Again, they would look the same. So it is important to know the subject of the conversation so that you can slot in the correct word. We're going to do an exercise now to practice this speech movement. And we're going to look at some sentences with lots of f and v shapes in them. Now, when we do a speech movement exercise, you're not actually trying to lip read the sentence. You're only looking for the shape every time it turns up in the sentence. So, before I say the sentence without voice, I'll tell you what it is, and then you have to look for the speech movement, f or v. So the first sentence is, the vase of flowers sat on a shelf above the television. So, how often did you see the shape f or v? It actually appeared 6 times in the sentence, but you may not have seen it 6 times because when we speak, our words run together. So when one word finishes with the same speech movement that the next word starts with, you generally would only see the shape once, as in of flowers. So I'll say it again and have a look at it. Did you see that? Just one of the other little things that can make lip reading a bit difficult. The next sentence, Frances laughed so much she fell off the sofa. How many times did you see the shape there? You should have seen it 5 times. The first word, Frances, at the beginning, the middle of laughed, fell off and sofa. The next sentence is Ivy made a Victoria sponge with self-raising flour. Now, I think that appeared 4 times in that sentence. Ivy, Victoria, self, and flower. Did you see them all? The next sentence, Vincent van Gogh painted sunflowers. How many times did you see it there? 4, I think. So Vincent, Van, Gogh, and in the middle of sunflowers. Next sentence. Avro bought some cough mixture from the pharmacy. You should have seen the speech movement 4 times there. Avro, cough, from, and pharmacy. Last sentence. Alfred's Ford Focus has a sunroof. And you should have seen the shape 4 times in that sentence. Alfred, Ford, Focus, and sunroof. Now you can practice these sentences saying them to yourself in a mirror.